Hello and welcome to Dad Rocks. Today we're going to be cutting some material from the AZRE Rockhound Expedition claims. I purchased some of this material recently. Today we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm sure it won't disappoint. Come along with me. Who wants to cut some rocks? We got some different AZRE material here we're going to cut today. So let's get started. I'm going to put on my PPE. So let's have a look at this together. I didn't get to see it, but wow. Well, the back end cracked, but that's a good sign right there, isn't it? Wow. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that gold moss in there. We'll cut one more here. Let's see what it's got inside. Okay, let's look at it together. Whoa. Well, that one definitely didn't disappoint, did it? I think this is my favorite one so far. With that dry spot, it kind of looks like a crocodile, doesn't it? Okay, let's go back and look at everything now that we're through cutting. Okay, here's the first one that I cut. And this is kind of interesting. I hope that it's hard enough that it'll take a polish in that area, but I'll have to look at it, give it a shot, try it out. We're going to slab this up a little more and see what happens. Here's a little seam agate. This one's got a lot of nice detail on it. Try to zoom in. Definitely going to make some slabs on this one. And next, this is primarily gold moss, but doesn't it have some great detail? This one's got a mix of gold and red moss in it. Zoom in and look at some of that detail on that. Apologize for that hissing in the background. My compressor's bleeding down. So yeah, this is that last one that I did. And I'm going to set that piece aside and let's zoom in and look at the details a little bit better here. See the banding in there? Look at the gold bands across the top. Isn't that nice? Hey, I appreciate y'all joining me today. Till next time, take care.